Brian O'Bannon of Morton Buildings, and here we are again with yet another edition of the Morton Moments. And let's take this moment to give you an update about this Suburban garage that we've been following. As you remember, we had done the sales process, we did the site work, we actually delivered the materials here, and now today is the first day of construction. Exciting day indeed. Now in this particular instance, we are in Natrona County, so we will have to have the inspector come by, and he won't be here till tomorrow, to look down inside the holes to make sure that it's up to code and everything is kosher. Once he gives us the approval, we're going to be putting the concrete columns down into those ground and concreting them into place. And so the process has begun, and here pretty soon we'll be putting up the walls and then doing the next inspection process and then putting the steel on and finishing up. So that's it for this edition of Morton Moments. Be sure to like and subscribe and come back next time.